The best analogy to the flow of this divine energy is the light and heat of the sun. Think about the sun is kind of a ball of fire that radiates light and heat to all directions evenly, regardless of what it is standing in its way. So if we stand outside in the sun, we will be exposed to its heat and light and enjoy its warmth. However, if we stand inside our house, we won't be able to enjoy the sun's warmth and light in the same manner as we're standing outside. In this picture that I put on the slide, you can see that the sun's rays are penetrating the areas that don't have clouds. Similarly, the divine energy is emitted to us if our mind is open to receiving it and remove mental blocks, and it will flow inside us. There's also a known saying in Kabbalah that says that there is no compulsion in spirituality. The light of the divine is going to flow inside the ones that are willing to accept it. Therefore, when we talk about punishment and reward, for example, in the Bible, it's just use of human terminology. Everyone, I hope you enjoy this course. This video clip is a limited edition for the free registration users. We have a variety of plans for you to gain full, unlimited access to all the content of our website, courses, and downloadable materials. So please register as a member to continue watching. If you have any comment or questions on any subject, please don't hesitate to contact me. I greatly appreciate your participation. I'm Sagi with Divine Reflection.